Alright guys, do you see the shine right now? I would not be able to achieve that without my shampoo by Color Wow.
One of my secrets to getting these curls is the Color Security shampoo. The first time that I washed my hair with this shampoo, it looked like I had just colored my hair. The color was so much more vibrant, the curls were so much bouncier.
So I absolutely love this shampoo. It does exactly what a shampoo should do, just clean my hair.
Color Wow was actually really smart, and they put so much thought into the shampoo that they eliminate anything that doesn't have to do with clean hair.
I have extensions, no added buildup, no silicons. This is just everything in a bottle.
The shampoos that I would use before, honestly, sometimes left me with no curl at all. This shampoo is just gentle on my curls. It just cleans my hair, it leaves nothing behind. It's just perfect.